What's up guys, my name is Antun Suarez. In this video I'm going to show you what is Upscayl. Now Upscayl is a AI image upscaler that I found on GitHub while needing to upscale some photos for work. And I wanted to kind of highlight it was a pretty easy solution to get an image in there and actually get it to a higher resolution like I have on the screen right now. This is one of the signs I needed to upscale from the lower resolution to the higher resolution. And it works really nice. So I wanted to kind of highlight that this program and the developers. So I'll put the link in the description below for the Upscayl GitHub. It uses the real ESRgen algorithm, and I believe it has other algorithms that you can use as well when you select. So there's a couple here that you can choose from, and it all gives a different look and feel to the actual final product. To do it, you just select the image. So we'll select this sign that I had to upscale, and you can then select from the list of different algorithms. We'll use the real ESRgen protocol, and it's going to be upscaling. It already did it before, so it ran pretty quickly. But it's upscaling from 300 by 160 to 1200 by 640. And while it's not perfect, and it does add some little artifacting around, if you're using this image in, say, a logo or icon and it was pulled back anyway, so if I open up the actual image here and I zoom out, I mean, the difference is night and day from what we started with. I mean, the sign's image was, pretty pixelated to start with, as you can see here. And if I open them up side by side, you can definitely see the difference, and with the slider as well. The difference is night and day between the clarity of the image, and it is filling in and creating new pixels where it can, and using what it can to remake the image. And another image I wanted to highlight was this one, and this is a backdrop of the Verrazano Bridge. This is going to upscale this image to a pretty high resolution. We're going from 2560 by 1440 to 10,240 by 5060. So if I do this, and we're using that protocol, this one might take a little bit more time. I will say, and I will, just as this processes, I'll go back to the GitHub, that it does need a Vulkan compatible GPU. I haven't had issues on the M1. I believe it is compatible with Apple Silicon. You could definitely try it. Even if you don't have a Vulkan, you can definitely give it a go and see if it works for you. I know using other AI tools, you definitely need to have, or it's preferred to have, an AMD GPU. I recently just switched my desktop to an AMD GPU because I wanted to play with the new AI tools that are coming out and being developed. And I'll have both the links to the real ESRgen down below as well. Okay, now we're almost just about done with this image. It's about to finish. I'll actually full screen this too, just to kind of get a better view of it, and it is going to take a second here. This image wasn't really in dire need of upscaling, right? This was a decently high resolution at 1440p, but if you can kind of see, as we kind of scroll over, if you look at the finer details of the trees, really, you can kind of see as it changes. But this image, and I will open it up in the Apple preview to kind of get a better sense of where we went to. So this is the upscaled version, and if I zoom in here, you can definitely see that AI kind of mosaic look that AI will do to an image, and kind of give that kind of feel to it. But I can almost zoom into the entire, past the buildings, and you can kind of get a kind of idea of what it's done here. It's really a really good upscale. If you really needed to have a higher resolution image, this is great. I mean, from a distance, and if it was far away, it's going to look great. It's going to look really, really good. So that's going to be it for this quick little video on Upscayl. I'm going to be playing with some more AI tools on the channel. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. It's been a long time since I uploaded any videos. I think mid-pandemic is when the last time I uploaded a video. So I want to get back in the swing of things. I got some new technology to play with. I got the MacBook. I have a 3D printer that I'm going to be making a video on soon with some fun things on that. So expect some new things on the channel. And if there's any subscribers that have lasted this long, I've been on YouTube for almost almost a decade now. So I'd like to, get the ball rolling and start making new videos again. And leave any recommendations down below. I'm looking through my my old catalog of videos and thinking of doing some new versions and updated versions of a lot of stuff, some of the Linux tutorials. If you have any recommendations or things you'd like to see on the channel, definitely put it in the comment section below. As always, my name's Anton Suarez. Please rate, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.